Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explain CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, a structured method to fix problems, prevent repeats, and improve quality. CAPA has two sides. Corrective action finds and removes the root cause of current issues, while preventive action focuses on avoiding similar issues in the future. Best practice CAPA uses data, teamwork, and strong documentation. It ensures problems are not only corrected but also prevented across the whole process. Imagine a simple factory that makes ceramic coffee mugs. Customers begin to complain that mug handles are cracking or breaking after only a few uses at home. The company reacts quickly. It stops shipments, separates all defective mugs, and informs the customer. Protecting the user always comes first in CAPA. A clear and measurable problem statement is essential. It defines exactly what failed, where, when, and how often, setting the stage for a data-driven investigation. Example: coffee mugs, lots 105 to 110, show 4% cracked handles during use. Issue detected in July, produced on kiln number 2. Facts give clarity to the team. With the problem defined, we use tools like 5 whys and fishbone diagrams. The goal is to move past symptoms and find the real root cause of failure. Testing shows kiln temperature was too low in some cycles, weakening the handles. Root cause: a faulty kiln sensor not detected by the control plan. Corrective actions remove the root cause and improve effectiveness. We replace the faulty sensor, recalibrate the kiln, and train staff to follow new standards. Trial runs are made with several production lots. All mugs pass handle strength tests, with no cracks found. The fix is proven effective before full release. Preventive actions stop issues from returning. We add regular kiln checks, update procedures, and introduce audits. These actions strengthen the whole system. Best practice also means sharing lessons learned across similar processes. By doing so, risks are prevented, and the same problem won't reappear elsewhere. A CAPA is not complete until results are verified. For 30-90 days, the factory monitors production and confirms that no new mug handle issues appear. Once metrics are stable and no customer complaints arise, the CAPA is formally closed. Documentation and shared learning make the improvement lasting. Thanks for watching. CAPA strengthens quality and customer trust. Subscribe to our channel for more best practice explainers and insights.